All right, my friend, here are 8 simple and easy ways to extend the life of your vehicle with the help from yourmechanic.com. By the way, if you find these tips helpful and want to see more in the future, including weekly car reviews, product reviews, and demos, click that subscribe button. Thank you in advance. Let's begin. First, tend to minor repairs in a timely manner. Whether you've noticed your car is pulling to one side or there's a slight hum when you turn on the AC, these little issues can become big ones when left unattended. So take care of these problems at your earliest convenience to prevent further and more costly damage to your car down the road. Keeping up with oil changes. Oil is essential to the proper operation of your vehicle. When oil levels are low or the oil is old and grimy, there is added friction between the moving parts that will eventually cause wear and tear to your engine. So have your oil changed regularly according to the schedule recommended in your owner's manual, usually between 3,000 and 5,000 miles, maybe even more on the newer cars. Periodically check the rest of your fluids because oil isn't the only fluid in your car that optimizes its performance. Your vehicle also relies on transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and properly mixed coolants. At times, these fluids will need topping off. Next, replace your air filter every 12,000 miles or once a year because over time, dust accumulates on the filter and this can have a negative impact on your fuel economy, even your engine performance. And don't ignore tire pressure. Tires inflated within 5 psi of the recommended pressure levels greatly improve your fuel economy and the general handling of your vehicle. Next, seek shade and cover. Sun is another often overlooked enemy to your car's surfaces, so park in the shade or in a covered lot or carports when possible. This will prevent issues like bleaching to your interior upholstery or damage to your exterior paint. Drive smart. You're not auditioning for the Fast and the Furious franchise, so don't drive like it. Sudden stops and starts, high speeds, sharp cornering doesn't do your vehicle any favors and puts undue stress on all of your car parts. Lastly, break open your owner's manual. The previous tips apply to virtually all vehicle makes and models, but particular cars have unique needs. So take the time to look over your manual, follow any maintenance schedules or advice it recommends. I've included links in the description to yourmechanics.com's website so you can see related articles and leave me a topic idea in the comment section below. I'll do my best to research that for you and put together a video. Until next time, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you soon. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Hey, I want to let you know about a new feature on everymandriver.com. It's a car payment calculator you can use anytime when you're trying to figure out what your potential loan amount is and the monthly payment figure. So what you do is you type in the vehicle price, your down payment, trade-in figure, sales tax, interest rate, and the term of the loan. Click calculate, and then you'll figure out the loan amount and the monthly payment. It's a free tool now available on everymandriver.com.